Look after. This means to take care of someone or something. Can you look after my cat while I'm on vacation? You should look after your health. Look for. This means to search for something or someone. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? What are you looking for? My phone. I can't find it. Look up. This means to search for information or to improve. She looked up the recipe online. I don't know this word. Let me look it up in the dictionary. Look out. This means to be careful or to watch for something. Look out! There's a car coming. Look out! The floor is slippery. Look into. This means to investigate or examine something. The police are looking into the case. Can you look into why the computer isn't working? Look forward to. This means to be excited about something in the future. She looks forward to her vacation every year. He was looking forward to the concert, but it got canceled. Look down on. This means to think you're better than someone. She looks down on people who didn't go to university. He's arrogant and looks down on anyone who disagrees with him. Look up to. This means to admire or respect someone. I've always looked up to my older sister. She's so wise. Teachers should be people children can look up to. Look over. This means to review or examine something quickly. Could you look over my essay before I submit it? The doctor looked over the test results. Look around. This means to explore or search in a general way. We're looking around for a new apartment. Before buying a phone, it's best to look around and compare prices. Look ahead. This means to think about the future. The company is looking ahead to expand into new markets. We need to look ahead and save money for retirement. Look through. This means to quickly examine the contents of something. She looked through her closet for a black dress. Can you look through these reports for errors? Look back. This means to reflect on the past. When I look back, I realize how much I've learned. Don't look back. Focus on the future. Look out for. This means to watch for or protect someone or something. Look out for my email. I'll send details tomorrow. She always looks out for her younger siblings. Look at. This means to focus on something visually or analyze it. Look at this beautiful sunset. We need to look at the data carefully before deciding. Look about. This means to search for something in your surroundings. He looked about the room for his phone. They were looking about for a quiet place to talk. Look up and down. This means to inspect someone or something critically. The guard looked me up and down before letting me in. We looked up and down the street for the lost dog. Look to. This means to depend on someone for help or inspiration. We should look to experts for advice on this issue. She looks to her parents for emotional support. Look away. This means to turn your eyes away from something. The scene was so gruesome, I had to look away. I couldn't look away from the beautiful sunset. Look out for yourself. This means to take care of your own needs or interests. It's okay to look out for yourself sometimes. You can't always please everyone. Eat healthy and rest. You need to look out for yourself. That's it for today's lesson on 20 phrasal verbs with look. Want more? Let me know which phrasal verb group I should cover next. Get, take, or bring. Vote in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video.